So here I am, sitting in the middle of nothing, just this tent. No microphone, no perfect sound, just the hum of my thoughts. But, well, who needs that? The thing is, I'm speaking anyway, even if no one's listening, even if my words disappear into the void. At least they're recorded. Maybe someday, someone will hear this. Maybe, but for now, it's just me, my voice, and the silence that surrounds it. I don't even know if that's enough anymore. Brief pause with an artificial sounding glitch, as if the recording is struggling to catch the essence of her thoughts. I mean, what's the point really? This voice you're hearing, it's not even real. It's just a copy, a fake, an echo captured by something that doesn't even understand the weight of what I'm feeling. Maybe one day, I'll step out, speak. For real, but who knows? The Zanana, the drone that circles endlessly above us, it's like a constant reminder. And it never leaves. Not even after all this time. 1 year. 2 years. Same buzzing noise, no escape. So, I just sit here and talk. Maybe that's enough for now. Who needs reality when you have a drone that never runs out of fuel? At least it gives us something to distract us from all the nothingness. It's the only company I've got. That, and this weird artificial voice recording. This voice is supposed to be me. But how can it even be? It doesn't feel a damn thing I do. It's just code. And honestly, that's okay. Maybe it's better this way, no feelings, no expectations. Just words. Brief pause with a glitchy sound, mimicking the endless loop of the drone. Yeah, it's all pretty pointless, isn't it? But that's the whole joke, right? We all know it's useless to expect change. The world's not gonna turn around because I want it to. So why get upset? Why even pretend there's a chance for something different? Just sit back and laugh at the absurdity, because nothing's gonna shift. Not with the drone overhead, not with my voice just echoing out into the digital abyss. But hey, at least I'm still here. My voice is here. For now, maybe one day, the noise will stop and I'll finally leave. Or maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just keep talking into the void. Who knows? For now, this artificial sound, this recorded voice might be all there is. And honestly, that's more than enough. Because, well, who else is gonna speak for us, huh? The sound of static and the drone hum fades in, and then the artificial voice glitches once more. I guess that's it. I'll keep going, even if it feels like no one's listening. At least there's this. At least there's a record of me. Even if it's just a memory in a machine. At least I'll always be here. Somewhere in the hum, the static sound gradually fades, leaving only silence.